What's good, y'all? I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today, because you already know your boy Kari had a fantastic day. Today, I'm going to be basically breaking down my second month day trading as a beginner, day trading every single day. And this month, boy, it was tough. I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, I had a bad month this month. So, well, last month. This month, August, I didn't even touch it yet. I'm not gonna lie. I decided to sit back for a second and just try to learn a little bit more. But I am going to be trading this month. I promise you that. But I'm gonna just throw up some screenshots. I'm gonna, basically tell y'all where I went wrong, and I'm gonna just try to give y'all some advice so y'all don't do the same thing I did. You feel me? So, for sure, I'm gonna say one thing I did do wrong is, I didn't manage my risk well. I think I mean, good enough to still be in the game, but not good enough to where I was able to end off the month on a good note. You know what I'm saying? So, so let's do this, right? Let's go ahead and throw up this month's P&L, basically day by day, day for day, whatever, so y'all can see every day that I traded, whether I was green, whether I was red, whatever that may be. So, looking at this, you can obviously tell that this thing red as hell, bro. This month was bloody. Last month was bloody, boy. It was blood in the water, my guy. But if you look closely, you'll see that my biggest loss was $200.92. That was my biggest loss. And the crazy thing about that is that I had an even bigger loss the month before, my first month. You can go and watch that video. I'll put it in the description. The biggest loss I took last month was like $295, but I was able to come back from that. This month, as you can see, I just kept going down. 200, 195, 105, 135. All these $100 lost days, bro. That cannot happen. That is completely unacceptable, for real. Unacceptable. And then you can see I didn't make $100 not any day. The highest day I had in July was literally $81.65. I didn't even break 100. Not even one time. So I definitely got to do a better job of managing my risk. It was a couple days where I did well, like $2 right here, $40. I'll take 40, you know what I'm saying? I want to max at $50 loss, you know what I'm saying? I do not want to be hitting these $100 days on losers. But yeah, so besides those, like big days where I lost 200 and then 195, which is basically 200 twice, I would have been alright. If I keep my losses minimum, I'm realizing I'll be okay. And then also, one thing I'm messing up on is being patient, bro. Just being patient. And then another thing I did is switching my strategy up. I started looking at different strategies, but I should have just kept doing what I was doing last month, because that was working. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I changed it. I'm like, oh man, maybe if I try something different, I can win more or win bigger. No, bro, no. I shouldn't have done that. I started watching too many YouTubers. I started, getting into too many different strategies, learning all this different stuff. I think, tell me if I'm wrong here, but a philosophy, a philosophy that, I'm starting to build right now, or create, I guess, or starting to think about, is that once you learn too much or too many strategies or too many different things, I think that starts to mess with your mind a little bit, mess with your head, and you start getting all over the place, and you're not organized, and you start taking more risks because you're like, oh, part of this strategy says that I can do this and I'll be able to be good. No, bro, no. You got to keep doing what was working. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go back to doing what was working, and stop trying to go all over the place looking for strategies and looking for a way to make more money, and just focus on being green no matter what. That's it. Whether it's $1, $50, $100, whatever that is, take my earnings and get the hell out of the market, bro. So now I'm gonna reveal to y'all the total amount of what I lost for the month of July. So here we go. $995.55. I am down 35% on the month. I'm not happy about that at all. Not at all. I basically lost $1,000. So I had a 3K account. Now that's a 2K account. Damn. Oh man, so many mistakes, and it's nothing I can do about it, you know. I just take my lesson. It's not a loss, it's a lesson. I take my lesson and I just roll with it, right? So $1,000 for the month. How do I feel about that? I don't feel bad, you know. I just feel like I need to keep going. I need to keep going. I need to keep trying. I need to keep doing better, and I need to maintain the same strategy, maintain the level of competence that I had in the beginning, the same level of confidence, competence, everything that I had in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? So I think if I just focus on getting back to what I was doing before and then perfecting on it and just making sure that I'm managing my risk even better than I was this last month, then I'll be okay, man. So I still think I'm doing great. You know what I'm saying? I have not blown my account up yet. I have not, you know, had a mental meltdown or something like that. I didn't kill all the money that I have left that I own to my life. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have to sell the car to pay the bills or nothing like that. So I think I'm still in the game and I want to keep going. So I'm just making this video to show y'all, man, look, you can have a badass month. Next month I might make 2,000. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm not worried, not even in the slightest. I'm not worried at all. Just keep pushing, just keep going, you feel me? But like I said, a couple things that I need to focus on: managing my risk, stick with what's working, and just being more patient. Because I'm so quick to try to jump in a trade. But the thing about that is you can be quick to jump in a trade if you see something happening, but you got to be just as quick jumping out of that trade if you see the reverse starting to happen. You get what I'm saying? So it's nothing wrong with, you know, jumping on an opportunity if you see the opportunity there. But if you realize, hey, maybe this opportunity ain't what I thought it was, get out. That's the part where I messed up at. I saw the market. I would get into the trade. I saw the market would hesitate. I'm like, all right, I'm in profit right now. It may not be the profit that I want. That's what it was. It may not be the profit I want. It wasn't what I wanted. So I'm like, oh, I know this can go up a little bit more. Oh, it's going to do a little pullback. Boom. No, bro. You see it going up. You see it struggling. This is just me. This is just how I was looking at it back then when I was trading and I was doing well. You know what I'm saying? I was making $100 a day pretty much. Even though I didn't, you know, you get what I'm saying? When I was doing better than last month. I was out of that. I was getting out of the trades quicker than I did this previous month. That's what I'm really noticing. So you can get in fast, but you better get out faster. That's what it is. I need to get out. So I don't know. I'm gonna just keep going. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep praying, keep playing, keep training, keep playing, keep banging. I'm just saying stuff right now at this point. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.